How's it going, guys? Okay, let's do some gameplay. And this time we're gonna be playing Cuphead again.
Well,
I can't.
another night of
this genie
fun and exciting gaming.
Right now.
Hi, my name's Sniffles the Clown,
But
and I'm a haunted mask.
fun. Probably I'm gonna curse. I'm gonna cuss a lot. Just FYI.
And
Because I'm that
here,
kind of douche.
pictured right beside me, is my owner. And he's about to play a game. He thinks he's entertaining, but I'm not. I'm not too sure. He's just not my flavor.
Anyways,
But it's been a while.
I know I've been dragging on.
I feel lonely.
I haven't
I
posted videos lately.
and I'm also getting kind of bored.
But there's going to be more videos to come. So
Maybe I can make him slap himself in the face or something. Do it again.
Ow.
And again.
Ow. The hell? Ow. Okay, let's. Okay,
Sweet.
keep on. Let's just keep playing. Let's just
See you soon,
stop
folks.
playing.